Oh, about.
I'm so sorry.
Right?
I don't know what.
Can I say that?
Yes, you might as
I said it.
well. I don't know why I clapped. I don't know what. Let's just turn around and see what we got here.
It's true.